Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make edible gummy bear slime. Now let's get started. The things you will need are gummy bears, a bowl, powdered sugar, mixing tools. Now let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is put your gummy bears into the bowl and melt them. You will have to do this for about 15 seconds. If you are unsure if it is done or not, it should look something like this. Notice that the consistency is quite sticky and stretchy. Make sure you have parent supervision because the bowl can be really hot. After that, you are going to add in the powdered sugar. You do not have to add it in all at the same time. You will want to continue mixing until a slime starts to form. Add more powdered sugar as needed. When it is about this consistency, we took it out. Then all you have to do is start kneading. Make sure there is enough powdered sugar on your workspace. If you keep kneading and adding powdered sugar, it might look something like this. As you can see, the slime turned out super duper silky and smooth. This is the finalized product after lots of kneading and time. It is a little bit sticky, but it is a really good slime. Not only that, but it is super delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below any new videos ideas you have. We will see you in the next video. Bye!